Hey, come hang out with me for a few minutes and learn how to make this really cute Halloween wreath. So we're gonna need 18 pieces of mesh at 23 inches. I'm using 6 different ribbons, so a combination of 3 different colors of 1.5 and 3 different colors of 2.5. Side, we're gonna get our frame out and we're gonna just get all of our twist ties, take it out. All right, we're gonna grab our mesh.
Remember, they are cut at 23 inches. We're gonna curl each end up just a little bit, and then we're gonna ruffle it down the middle. That curl in the beginning helps hide that cut edge so it doesn't fray. And then we're just gonna add one of these to the twist all the way around the frame. And we're just gonna alternate our colors.
Alright, now with this method, you are going to end up with 2 pieces side by side that are the same color. It's fine.
All right, we just opened all of our twist ties up so that our mesh is ready to go in there. We're gonna just start right where we stopped and continue around with our ruffles. All right, now that you got your mesh, all right, so we just layer them right on top of each other. We're gonna fold them right in half, give them a good pinch them down the middle. Then we're gonna find the twist tie we wanna put it in. We don't have to open it. We're just gonna set it right inside there and then tighten it around as tight as you can. Just like that. And then spread out your ribbon tails. All right, and we're just gonna work our way all the way around our wreath, just like that.
I'm just going to alternate the ribbon sets.
Alright, now that you have your ribbon tails all the way around the bottom of your wreath, we're going to go ahead and add our tails up here at the top. So same thing, just lay your ribbons, fold them in half, give them a good pinch. At the top, I like to make it into a nice X. That way, all of your ribbon is good and visible. All right, after all your ribbon tails are on, you can always come back through and just make sure that everything is pretty and visible.
And it curled.
And that's it. You've made yourself a Halloween wreath.